Kinnari Dave welcome you all in the Standard 12 Chemistry, Chapter number 6, Metallurgy, Part 6. In this part, I am going to explain you about the extraction of zinc from zinc oxide. Exactly, student, zinc oxide cannot be reduced easily in the zinc metal because it required the some of the reducing agent. So we'll start extraction of zinc from zinc oxide by different method. Before going to start the extraction of zinc, we should understand about the different ores of zinc, which is to be familiar by you, and you have to learn the name and formula also. Here I have shown you this is the calamine ore of zinc. The formula of calamine ore is ZnCO3. So this is the calamine ore. You are able to see the color of the zinc, that is bluish green color. Here one more ore picture I have shown to you. This is the zincite ore, or we can say that it is a zinc oxide, and the formula of this is ZnO, zincite ore. So student, there are three main ores of zinc. The first one, it is a zinc blende, the formula ZnS. Another one is a calamine, the formula ZnCO3. And the third one is zincite, ZnO. Now, for this extraction process, main step is to be followed for the extraction is, here we are taking zinc blende. The formula of zinc blende is, student, ZnS. Zinc blende we are taking for the extraction process. First of all, as it is a sulfide ore, we have to go for the Froth flotation method. Student, one more time we just try to recollect about the Froth flotation method, as you all are aware, but Froth flotation method we are adding pine oil or some of the oil like cresol or aniline as a froth stabilizer, and fatty acid or xanthate or pine oil as a froth former. Because here the sulfide ore wet with these fatty acids and come on the surface of the tank, while the gangue particles are settled down in the bottom, which is not wet with the fatty acids or pine oil. This is the Froth flotation method. This way we are doing the first procedure for the sulfide ore is simply concentrated of ore method. This is the extraction of concentrated ore method. After this Froth flotation, we are doing the roasting also and smelting also. Student, roasting means, one more time I'll try to remember, make you clear. Roasting is done in presence of air. So we are heating this oxide ore, which converted from the sulfide ore, in presence of O2 or air. This is known as roasting, and the smelting is in absence of air. Finally, this smelted and roasted ore is to be taken into the electrolytic refining. Refining process is for the getting the pure, finally pure form of metal. यहाँ पर रोस्टिंग और स्मेल्टिंग के अंदर थोड़ी बहुत इम्प्योरिटी जो रह जाती है स्टूडेंट, दैट कैन बी प्योरली रिफाइंड एंड exactly extremely pure level of metal will get by electrolytic refining. And then finally we get zinc after electrolytic refining. Student, here in this picture you are able to see in that electrolytic refining, A means anode. Here you can see A means anode and C means cathode. In this, impure metal is act as anode. So here we have taken impure metal. Impure metal means अगर हम यहाँ पर refining किसका कर रहे हैं student, zinc का. So impure zinc is taken as a anode. And the same way कैथोड के ऊपर हम प्योर जिंक ले रहे हैं. सो कैथोड इज मेड अप ऑफ प्योर जिंक. And the suitable electrolytic is filled in the form of soluble salt in as a electrolytic. यहाँ पर जो हमने ये सॉल्ट भरा है स्टूडेंट, ये सॉल्ट सुटेबल होता है और उसमें कंपैरिजन जो भी अगर हमने यहाँ पर जिंक का एक्सट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं तो सॉल्ट जो होगा वो जिंक सॉल्युबल होगा. कॉपर का अगर कर रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक रिफाइनिंग तो यहाँ पर जो सॉल्ट होगा वो कॉपर सॉल्युबल सॉल्ट होगा स्टूडेंट. The more basic metal remain in the solution and less basic metal go to the anode mud. अब इसके अंदर जो भी हमने सॉल्यूशन भरा हुआ है एज ए इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, उसमें से मोर बेसिक जो है स्टूडेंट, सपोज द मोर बेसिक मेटल जो है वो यहाँ एनोड पे जमा हो जाता है एंड दैट वी नो एज अ एनोड मड. Whatever we'll get on the anode, that is known as anode mud. Mud in the sense कचरा. जो भी हमें जमा हुआ है एनोड के ऊपर वो हमारे लिए काम का नहीं है, इतना मतलब वो इम्प्योरिटी है. So the more basic metal remains in the solution and less basic come to the anode mud. Here suppose एनोड के ऊपर क्या रिएक्शन होता है that we'll see. So A means anode, reaction which takes place over the anode. Here metal means zinc. We consider M as a zinc will be converted into zinc plus means M plus ion plus electron. And C in the sense cathode. कैथोड के ऊपर स्टूडेंट this M plus ion means zinc plus ion will be turned into pure metal or pure zinc. This is the reaction which occurs on zinc. If we have taken zinc, then it becomes for the zinc. And suppose electrolytic for the copper if we are taking, then M is considered as a copper. तो ये रिएक्शन होता है एनोड के ऊपर और कैथोड के ऊपर होता है मेटल प्योर फॉर्म में हमें सेपरेट मिलता है. So impurities is deposit as anode mud and which is easily removable. यहाँ पर आप ये जो देख रहे हो, ये जो ग्राफ आपको दिखाई दे रहा है स्टूडेंट, ये ग्राफ में आपके साथ में यहाँ पर जिंक ऑक्साइड भी प्रेजेंट है और वो जिंक ऑक्साइड का इजीली रिडक्शन नहीं हो सकता है जो मैंने बताया था, बिकॉज द वैल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा जी इज नियर बाय 600 to 700, minus 600 to 700, and the temperature is 700 degrees Celsius. So this melting process finally is done with zinc oxide to the carbon and we get zinc pure metal with carbon monoxide. Smelting मतलब क्या है student? Smelting means heat with the coke. So this process is known as smelting process. So here zincite is heated with the coke and finally pure form of zinc is available by rapid chilling. मतलब कि उसको डिस्टिल करने के बाद फास्टली उसको कूल डाउन किया जाता है. दैट इज द rapid chilling of the smelting process is known as. Hope so student you clearly understand the extraction of copper by different method and the name of the ore zincite, calamine and zinc blend. From that extraction is done only with the zinc blend with froth flotation, that is concentrated of ore process, then roasted and smelting process is done. Finally electrolytic refining we are doing and we get pure form of zinc. Student, if you have any doubt or any queries, you can just mail me without hesitating. And student, you have to like my channel. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.